Welcome student. A number of capacitors, each of capacitance 1 microfarad, 1 microfarad, and each one will get punctured if your potential difference just exceeds 500 volt. Find the suitable arrangement with these capacitors to give you a net capacitance of 3 microfarad across which 2000 volt may be applied at least. In this problem it is given plenty of, there are a lot of n number of, any number of n number of capacitors given. So what we have to do with this is the specification of the capacitor, and many number of capacitors are given this capacitor. What we have to do, we have to produce a net capacitance of 3 microfarad which can withstand 2000 volt. Let us see the first capacitor. See one capacitor, let us take one capacitor. 1 microfarad is its capacitance and it cannot exceed more than 500 volt. If you are applying a voltage be a potential difference of more than 500 volt, it will get punctured. It means it will become useless. So with this arrangement, with this given capacitors, we have to make a capacitor which can have a capacitance of 3 microfarad and which can withstand 2000 volt. First let us see when capacitors in parallel. Capacitor in parallel means a number of capacitors into one capacitor, because all are 1 microfarad, all are identical capacitors. So n number of capacitor into capacitor, one capacitor. In C series is equal to n number of capacitors divided by n. It means in series the capacitance will decrease divided by number of capacitors connected in series. Here number of capacitors connected in parallel into one capacitor, since all are identical. So let us try first. We have to get voltage first. First let us go. Let us say 500 volt. It should be able to withstand 2000 volt. Suppose if you are having one capacitor of 1 microfarad and which can withstand only 500 volt, and second one same 1 microfarad, third one means it will have 500 volt, fourth one will also 500 volt, and fifth one will also have 500 volt. It means it means total voltage across this V is equal to 500 to 500 to 500 500 200 volt. It means 4 capacitors in series can withstand 2000 volt. It means first 2000 volt we can get it, but what is the net capacitance? See, because all the capacitance are series, so net capacitance is equal to any one capacitor, that is 1 microfarad divided by total number of capacitors 4 is equal to 1 by 4 microfarad. So this will produce this set will produce 1 by 4 microfarad with 2000 volt it can withstand. Let us take this is set 1. Set 1 is equal to 1 by 4 microfarad and 2000 volt. This entire things 2000 volt. It means now this condition is satisfied. 2000 volt it can withstand. Now if you want to increase from 1.4 microfarad to 2003 microfarad if you want, it means we have to connect in parallel this arrangement, the same arrangement, because we can make only from 1 microfarad and 500 volt. This, if you are connecting 4, it can withstand 2000 volt. So it means now this equivalent circuit we have taken here. Now this can produce 1 by 4th of microfarad, 1 by 4th of microfarad and 2000 microfarad and 2000. It means what? Now here we can go for parallel, because this is this one 1 by 4 microfarad into n number of microfarad connected in parallel will give our required 3 microfarad. Let us see, we need 3 microfarad and this arrangement 1 microfarad is equal to n number of into 1 by 4 microfarad, because if you are connecting in parallel, first we have connected in series, we got 1 divided by 4, we got this one divided by 4, and now this arrangement, which will be after arranging this one, this will meet this condition. Now if you want to increase this increase the capacitance, we have to connect in parallel now. Parallel means one capacitor, value of one capacitor into n number of capacitors. So we need 3 microfarad, out of which n into 1 by 4 microfarad, that is microfarad cancels, so n is equal to 12. It means if you are connecting 12 such one, then we can get it because 1 by 4, 12 into 1 by 4. So 3 microfarad, how we will get? 12 into 1 by 4 microfarad, which is equal to, we can get it. It means we can connect 12 sets like this, identical. 1, 2, this is 1, 2, 3, like this. We can connect 12 in parallel. All are having 1 by 4 microfarad capacitors, and all can withstand 200, because this is series. This will, the whatever potential it is here, the same potential here also, 2000 volt, here also 2000 volt, because it is in parallel. So this will also withstand 2000 volt of 1 by 4 microfarad. So what is the equivalent? What is the equivalent? So C equivalent for this arrangement, there are 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 microfarad plus 1 by 4 microfarad, because in series we have to add it 12 times 1 by 4 microfarad 12, or we can write 12 capacitor. So this is equal to 12 into 1 by 4 microfarad is equal to 3 microfarad C equivalent. It means it can withstand a voltage of 2000 volt, because 2000 volt, it is a series. Whatever it can withstand, whatever potential is applied here, same potential is applied here, same potential is applied here, because it is a parallel circuit. In parallel circuit, voltage across all the capacitors are same, and in parallel we have to add add all the capacitors 1 by 4, that is 12 into 1 by 4, 3 microfarad. So with this arrangement, this equivalent will become, this circuit will become like this, which can give 3 microfarad, which out of which it can withstand 2000 volt. So this is the arrangement. So find the suitable arrangement with this capacitor. It means 4 capacitor, first 4 capacitor of 1 microfarad arrange in series, and this set and 12 of this this set are to be arranged in parallel to get 3 microfarad capacitor and which can withstand 2000 volt with all capacitors of 1 microfarad and can withstand 500 volt.